Thank you for joining me. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Neil, and thank you everyone who has been subscribing, watching the videos, being interactive. I truly appreciate that. Hoping to grow this thing the best that I can. The Steelers are terrible, and I want to know randomly, what's a better Rush song, Tom Sawyer or Limelight? I'm in the middle on that. I always liked Limelight, but Tom Sawyer, just the beginning of that just comes in hard. So I want to talk about a few things if you're new to the channel or if you're old. One thing here is, yes, I do use tools. I test tools. I work as a maintenance man for a living. The most important thing is I don't try to sell anyone on tools. I do it for fun, for me, and then you guys get to enjoy watching me test cheap tools off Amazon. So I'm fine with, I'm happy with constructive criticism, and I'm fine with it, and I don't get a lot of hateful comments, to be honest with you. But for those of you that think I'm pushing something, I'm not. I don't have an agenda. I'm not pushing anything. I couldn't care less of what tool companies think of me. When I do review tools that companies will send me stuff to review, I don't get paid to do it. They don't ask me to push it. If they have some sort of link, I never use that link, or some of these companies are willing to pay people, or like you get you get a profit. Some of these companies use a coupon code or something. I don't know. They'll give it to you. But a lot of these things are on sale anyways, but they'll give it to you and you get like a percentage of that. I've never done that. I don't knock people who do any of this stuff. It's just not me. The tool companies I do work with are the ones that let me take my time to review the tool, and then have like basically zero parameters for what they want. Some companies will say we want one short video, one long video. Some will say they want like 8 to 10 minutes long or whatever. That's fine. But every company I've always worked with is very much, one of the first things they say is test it against other tools and give us your honest feedback so we can make it better. And I do. I'll email them back and forth as I review the tools, and whether they take it or not, I don't know. But those are the companies that I'll work with. Most of it is from a certain country, but that's all right with me. The other thing, though, is I have to get away from I really like the stuff I do on the channel, and the tool reviews won't go anywhere, but they won't be me actively buying tools to test out. Some of it will be, but there's a lot I still need to test out. But the channel is going to take a bit of a direction change, and I'm selling some tools to get to that point where I can actually do that. But I'm not selling all my tools, obviously, because I need them, A, to make a living every day, and B, just in case. I never want to be without my most important tools, because if something did happen with work, I know I can always find work, and having tools definitely helps you find that work quicker. It's great that companies offer that and stuff, but I have my own stuff. I'll run it. If something breaks on my company's, they'll replace it. It's still mine. But I'm selling a lot of the extra inventory I had. A lot of my shorts now are going to be the minute-long tool test run through the gauntlet. The gauntlet, obviously it's just 3-inch spacks and timber locks and bigger spacks, and sometimes, spade bits, and all that stuff. Those are for pure entertainment. I put extensions and stuff on, and it is what it is. So I have fun watching them and doing them and setting them up and seeing how the tools do and, you know, seeing what ones don't perform well. But anyway, there's going to be some changes on the channel. I hope you guys stick around for it. It's not going to be like a real quick boom around, turn around. There's going to be a lot of my old stuff, and I got to get back to some of my old stuff, which is like just me sitting down talking to you guys like this, which, you know, it's always awesome. And yeah, so let's see what the week brings us. I hope you guys all have a good week. Join me tomorrow night, live Monday night, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.